BSL, English audio. Box Brownie camera. Early tourists to North Wales captured their holiday memories on cameras like this Box Brownie. Introduced for sale in 1900, the popular Brownie was cheap and easy to use and brought photography to the masses.